In the traditional recipe for flan, also known as crème renversée, by Auguste Escoffier in 1903, it is mentioned you need 4 egg whites and 8 egg yolks, so basically 6 fucking eggs, but he's just being an annoying little girl. And you should know by now that we don't waste protein in this house, so you will crack 6 eggs and mix them very homogeneously. Flan needs to be very homogeneous. Then you add 1 liter of raw milk, mix it very well. Then all the geek chefs will say, oh, you shouldn't use a whisk, you will incorporate bubbles. Here is what I do with your bubbles and my intelligence. If you heat the pot down like this, you will kill all the bubbles. Then you will move it to the stove. We want to heat it up to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. So basically, if you put your finger inside, it should feel just a little bit burning. Make sure it doesn't cook, so keep mixing during the whole time. And we will sweeten it with some honey straight from the bee's titties, because sugar makes you gay. Make sure the honey is very well melted into the mixture by mixing it in. In the meantime, we will make honey caramel, because sugar makes you gay. And this way, the recipe will be completely carnivore, with raw milk, eggs, and honey, and that's it. First, your honey will make some small bubbles, indicating a lot of humidity. Then it will make big bubbles, indicating very low humidity. And then it will beautifully caramelize. Wait for the bubbles to wear down to incorporate them into the bottom of the mold. Make sure the caramel takes the shape of the bottom of the mold. You can move it around like this. By this time, your flan mixture should be well heated. Put it in a little sheet like this. Then put your oven precisely at 120 degrees Celsius. Prepare a bain-marie by putting it boiling water in a little sheet like this. Then pour the mixture from the little sheet like this into the other little sheet like that. Fill all the different sheets homogeneously. And now the little geek chefs will probably tell you, oh look, there is bubbles on your sheet. You fucked up, which is absolutely stupid because the bubbles will explode with the ventilation of the oven. After 10-15 minutes, they will come out like this. Little crust has formed at the top. It should be shaky when you shake it around. Now you make sure to unstick the side with a knife or something. Turns out it's very fucking annoying with the shape of mold. So you can also do it with your finger like this. You delicately pull inwards. Then you shake it to unstick it and some caramel should come out the sides. You can now flip it around on the plate. Might need to melt the caramel with the palm of your hand or just leave it for 10 minutes. And check this out. There it is. Your carnivore flan. Zero soy boy sugar. Only animals collaborated to make this delight. As you can see on the side, there is tiny bubbles, indicating it is slightly overcooked, which is simply because I went to take a shit while it was cooking. It took a little bit longer than expected. Anyway, you can now impress your racist carnivore husband on a romantic date.